Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have the Feelworld TP10 Teleprompter for a review. Feelworld TP10 is a folding and portable teleprompter which features with 10-inch standard beam splitter, allows you to clearly read scrolling text while looking directly into the camera. Perfect for vlog, live broadcast, online class, video recording, interviews, video studio, news and presentation. No need to reset the script, confident and charming. It can be prompted via smartphone or tablet while DSLR camera or phone is shooting. Supports wide-angle lens, Android iOS app, Bluetooth remote control, easy to operate, make the video production more efficient. Use with a crystal special storage case, more convenient to carry. It is ideal for video program creator. The TP10 is equipped with 10-inch standard beam slip glass, excellent transmissivity reflection effect, keep clear and good imaging, improve the shooting efficiency. The beam split glass can be folded of TP10, the thickness of teleprompter only 27 mm, after folding which better protects the glass and convenient to storage. The TP10 supports shooting with wide-angle lens, provide large vision, DSLR and tablet prompting mode supports more than 24 mm horizontal shooting and less than 35 mm vertical shooting. The TP10 supports smartphone live streaming or recording, suitable for live sale, online class and other live events. The attached mobile phone holder can be installed in the slot behind the teleprompter, so that you can realize horizontal or vertical shooting according to different needs. TP10 is equipped with a mobile phone tablet clamp that can be used to place a smartphone or a tablet which under 11 inches for prompting to solve the need of text size. The TP10 is equipped with two kinds of shooting EVA foam ring for different smartphone lens. You can move the phone to fit the lens perfectly with the foam ring, which avoids the phenomenon of light leaking into the lens. The TP10 comes with 8 standard lens adapter rings: 49, 52, 55, 58, 16.2, 16.7, 72, 77 mm. You can choose the one of them for your camera lens, prompting connection of the camera and teleprompter thickly. The exclusive prompting app named Feelworld can be downloaded in smartphone and tablet, compatible with iOS and Android systems. iOS users can search Feelworld on App Store to download the app. Android user can scan the QR code to download. The teleprompter is equipped with a Bluetooth remote control which can remote control the prompting device within 100 meters. Supporting content in the app play and pause, playing speed, font adjustment and other settings which it easy to use. There are two 1/4 standard size mounting thirds on the top of the teleprompter and three 1/4 standard size mounting thirds on the bottom. The bottom ones can be connected to a tripod and the top one can be installed with a microphone, fill light to enrich your shooting. The teleprompter is also equipped with a sun hood, which can effectively avoid light interference and make the prompted contents clearer. The exquisite customization carrying case can hold the teleprompter and all accessories in it, which is easy to carry and better protects the glass. Overall, I like this teleprompter for two reasons. It's relatively low cost compared to the many others, and it's compact, so easy to take along with your gear. The glass sits at a 45-degree angle directly in front of the camera lens, and the reflection is invisible to the camera. This allows text to be scrolled on the screen and the person being filmed to look right into the camera. This teleprompter has every feature needed, very nice remote control, and folds up into a provide carrying case. The software is simply yet functional, and the included lens adapters are greatness, which is very effective. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button to see videos like this. Bye!